I'm only your sister and your manager, Nova. I'm not going to do everything for you. This is a new one. I like it.
I know, it's good. But I don't remember recording it.
Yes, you did. This is when you sang in a boy's voice for a laugh, remember? No. Yes, you do.
Display track information.
Oh, now you can spend the effort.
Wobble, Help, I'm Too Awesome by Johnny Keaton and Monarchy. McLaren, quick, there's something wrong with the music player.
Current Big Bang music chart position number 15.
Number 15? But the charts is where I go.
Help, I'm too awesome.
Nova's on the move.
Co-writing.
Hang on, I'll find my keys.
What are you gonna sing?
Offs, Blob.
Nova, you're funny. You know, funny's the coolest thing to be, and you are it. And your ship, it's just amazing.
Thanks, I bought it myself.
Your fans are so lucky.
Yes, they are. That's what I think. Lucky to have me. This is them. Look how many. And they send me fantastic letters. You rock my world, Nova. See, I'm so adored.
I know. And I have to thank you. If you hadn't made your own rival song, then Help, I'm Too Awesome wouldn't be the success it is. You know, your track made it possible that mine will top the charts. Woo!
And this is our hard-working captain.
Open those cargo doors and release the sweets of our planet skill. Give the kids a treat.
Bubble?
Captain, isn't he a bit, silly?
He's very professional, actually. The best.
Face your maker.
Nova, did you read the fan letter I gave you?
I read 5 words. They were all good. One of them was my name.
Have you still got it?
The envelope's peach-coloured. See? No. You rock my world, Nova, and one day I'm going to be a big star just like you. Yours forever, Johnaki.
Now do you see?
No. Now, go away. I need to work out a way to sing both halves of a duet to get my follower back. For my fans.
For my fans.
Wobble? Oh, he's my fan. He's a fan of me. He's really talented and he's my fan. Oh, I might have done a silly.
Yep.
Let's go find that escape pod.
Wait! Who's piloting the ship?
Oh, that's easy. I just need to keep going forwards. I'll get the escape pod up on the screen. There is no. There is no. There is no. No. This screen is so high def.
That's a window.
It's orbiting the Jefferson. It hasn't gone anywhere. Look, the captain's boarded too.
And all you need is one hit single. And you have an album.
This is all my fault. Pressing all those buttons. I just wanted to pilot the ship and now the captain's doomed. Fear not, crew. I've got a plan.
No!
Hello? Get me the Space Fire Brigade.
The fire brigade? Renegade. Good thinking, Sid. You did the right thing. Well done.
I'm still one follower down on Spacegram.
And here was me thinking the crisis was over.
Oh, I haven't had a wink of sleep, and that lad is so nice.
Down, I'm too awesome.
Captain!
Jonarchy!
The ship okay without me, huh? You couldn't really mess that up, could you? It just needs to keep going forwards, huh?
Sorry to interrupt, but we have a performance to get to.
I'm too awesome.
Live in 5 seconds. Oh, Nova, this just in. You beat Johnny. You're number one. Welcome back! Johnny Key, obviously you're crushed at not reaching the number one spot. How does it feel?
Well, it's cool, like, you know, I was beaten by the best.
The best. I'm not... No, you're right, I'm the best. I'm too awesome. But, Johnny, I'm not just awesome. You're awesome.
We're number one.
No. You're number one.
Yes! Ha!
I thought you didn't like my song.
I don't like your song, Johnny. I blooping love it. You rock. And peach is my 9th favourite colour.
And you were jealous and you feel bad.
Sure, yeah, blah, jealous, blah, feel bad, blah.
Jealous of me? Nova Jones was jealous of me. Wow. Love that vibe.
But it's a big universe and there's plenty of room for us all.
And on that heartwarming note, Intergalactic TV presents, for the very first time, Nova Jones and Johnny Key in duet with 2 stars shine brighter than one.
I got the glitz and the glamour and the sparkle and the shine. You know, I'm a winner. Every chart spot is mine. I'm known through the galaxy, yeah, they all know my name. They love me and they want me every second of the day.
But this ain't no competition. There's room for 2.
So I give you my permission to make your breakthrough. 2 stars shine brighter than one. We gon' shine together, hotter than even the sun. So pay attention because we're coming for number 1. And we've only just begun. Yeah, 2 stars shine brighter than one. My name in the spotlight, don't need no introduction. I'm sold out every night, cause I'm the main attraction.
But this ain't no competition. There's room for 2.
So I give you my permission to make your breakthrough. 2 stars shine brighter than one. We gon' shine together, hotter than even the sun. So pay attention because we're coming for number 1. We've only just begun. Yeah, 2 stars shine brighter than one.
Brighter than 1.
I can take the lead.
But that would be too easy.
All we got is love, no jealousy.
Your follower came back, and thousands more. People love this. That's great. But also, who was it? I think I might block them. I'll find out.
You see, but this ain't no competition.
There's room for 2.
So I give
Very clever, Mac. People will love seeing Green-Eyed Nova after this.
Thank you.
I'm just glad that I had the idea of a duet.
we've only just begun.